Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Bedton. We are uploading frequently bed-related products. In this video you will find JEONSWOD single folding bed office snap lunch bed recliner home accompanying small bed simple portable bed. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Our zero-gravity chair relieves spinal stress, relieves muscle anxiety and gives most rest and comfort. Adjust your deck to get a customized relaxation experience. Support a couple of purchases. Shipping and storage. Maximum comfort. This folding chair is ergonomically designed with contoured armrests. The products commencing is an exquisite recliner, spacious and flat, adapting to the human body's curves, particularly analyzing newspapers, looking TV and different time uses. Adjustable relaxation function. The chair is designed with a reclining gadget with airlock. It may be adjusted to any function in keeping with your preferences. Several angles may be used to lessen return stress and pain. It's easy and comfortable, so that you can experience the afternoon. Can take a seat-down armchair, clean to operate. Technical details: item weight 0.035 ounces, department unisex, adult, manufacturer UniEASIN B09 by 4H5 M8N, country of origin China.